Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is preparation of potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4. This potassium permanganate is prepared from the mineral pyrolusite, and it is preparation from this mineral pyrolusite involves the following steps. We will discuss those two steps one by one. So, it is prepared on large scale from mineral pyrolusite, that is MnO2, and it involves the following steps for the preparation. Number one is conversion of pyrolusite MnO2 into potassium manganate, that is K2MnO4. So what is done first? We take this pyrolusite and we convert it into potassium, not permanganate, potassium manganate, that is K2MnO4. And how it is done? We take the pyrolusite and the finely powdered pyrolusite, it is fused with either KOH or K2CO3 in presence of oxygen or in presence of the catalyst like KNO3 or KClO3. Now, in the first step, what we do, that we take pyrolusite, we powder it, finely powdered MnO2 we take, and it is fused with either potassium hydroxide or potassium carbonate in presence of the air or in presence of the catalyst, that is KNO3, potassium nitrate or potassium perchlorate. Now we will take the reaction KOH plus, first we take MnO2 pyrolusite. To this pyrolusite we add KOH, and in presence of oxygen KMnO4, it is K2MnO4 plus H2O. Now we will balance it. It is 4 times, 2 times and 2 times. And then 2 times, 2 times, 4 times, 4 times. Now we have hydrogen 4 times twice, and the reaction gets balanced. 4, 4, 8 or 10. 2 4s are 8 or 2 10. Now here the pyrolusite, the finely powdered pyrolusite is fused with the KOH in presence of air, where we get potassium manganate, or it is treated with, it is fused with potassium carbonate in presence of the air, and we again get K2MnO4 plus, here the carbon dioxide is formed, and the reaction is again balanced by taking, we will take 2 and twice, it is K2CO3, sorry, K2CO3 here. It is treated with, sorry, it is treated with twice, and twice we have MnO2 plus K2CO3 plus O2 gives KMnO4, and what is the product formed? We take twice, this is 4 times, plus carbon dioxide is formed, and the reaction is balanced again. 2 to 4, 4 and 6, 10, 12, 2 fours are 8, 8 or 4, 12. Now, when manganese dioxide is treated with, when the peroxide is treated with potassium carbonate in presence of the air, it forms potassium magnate and carbon dioxide is evolved. Or if we take the reaction in presence of the catalyst like KNO3, MnO2 plus KNO3 plus KOH plus MnO2, we get K2 MnO4 plus MnO2 plus KOH in presence of KNO3, we get K2 MnO4 plus and now we will MnO2, we balance the reaction. This is twice, this is twice, and this is twice. The reaction gets balanced, and in the balanced reaction we are taking that this KNO3 plus water is formed, KNO2 plus water is formed. तो हम बैलेंस करते हैं, twice Mn, twice K and twice K. This is, if we take 1 times K2MnO4 and this 2 1 times MnO2 plus twice KNO2 plus KNO3 gives KNO3 gives MnO2 plus twice KOH plus KNO3, here Mn, K2 plus KNO2 plus H2O. The reaction gets balanced. 4 times, 2 times, 6 times, 7 times, 2 times, 1 time, 3 times, 3 and 3, 6, 4, 2, 6 and 1, 7, 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 7, potassium 2 and 1, 3, potassium 2 and 1, 3, nitrogen 1 times, nitrogen 1 times. So, in the first step, we have converted the peroxide into potassium magnate, and in the second step is conversion of potassium magnate into potassium permanganate. The green solution of the potassium magnate obtained above is extracted with the water, and it is then converted into the potassium permanganate. It is first filtered and then converted into potassium permanganate by oxidation, and this oxidation is carried out by two methods. Number one is chemical oxidation. Now, by chemical oxidation, we convert this potassium magnate into potassium permanganate, or number second is electrolytic oxidation. And on industrial stage, this electrolytic oxidation is preferred over the chemical oxidation. In the chemical oxidation, we take the solution of the KMnO4 along with the water. After filtration, the solution is bubbled by either chlorine or ozonized oxygen, that is O3, or by carbon dioxide, so as to get the potassium permanganate. Now we take K2MnO4, and this is bubbled either with the chlorine. We form KMnO4 plus KCl. Now we multiply it by 2 and by 2, and we balance the reaction 2. 4 times K, twice K, twice K, 4 times, twice Mn, and oxygen 8 times, oxygen 8 times. Or it is also oxidized by bubbling ozonized oxygen with this K2MnO4 plus O3 in presence of the water. It forms KMnO4 plus KMnO4 plus KOH. Again, we will balance the reaction, and the reaction is balanced by taking, we are taking oxygen in the ratio of this. If we take 2:1:1, then it is twice and twice. 4 times 2 times 2 times 2 fours are 8, 8 and 3, 11, 12, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus O2, O2 and O2. The reaction gets balanced. So by the ozonized oxygen, this KMnO4 is converted into K2MnO4, that is potassium magnate is converted, is oxidized to potassium permanganate. Or by treating it by bubbling carbon dioxide through it, and when K2MnO4 is bubbled with the carbon dioxide, we get KMnO4 plus K2CO3, and this is twice, this is thrice, and when we balance the reaction, we are taking this into plus MnO2. This is 3 timers, sorry, and we'll take it 2 timers, and twice 1, 6 timers, K2CrO3, Mn 3 timers, we will take 2 timers, 1, 3 timers, we have 6 timers, 2 timers, we have 4 timers, 4 timers, and the reaction gets balanced. 3 timers, 2 timers, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, so the 14, 16, 2 4s are 8, 8 and 6, 14, 15 and 16, 3 2s are 12 and 4, 16. So the reaction gets balanced by taking this. We are converting potassium magnate into potassium permanganate by bubbling with the carbon dioxide. Now the second method is by oxidation. In the oxidation method, what we did is oxidation. Now, potassium magnate is oxidized by taking in an electrolytic cell which contains iron as cathode and nickel as anode, and during the electrolysis we have K2MnO4. During electrolysis it forms KMnO4 plus K positive.